Hi guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare Mayo Chicken Sandwiches from my homestyle cooking recipes. If you like the recipe, then give a thumbs up and share it more with your family, friends and relatives too. If you are a new friend to this channel, it's a request, please subscribe the channel. Let's get into the video while giving thanks to all of my old friends who stays beside me time to time and also watched my videos. I also welcome new friends too. Let's have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this Mayo Chicken Sandwiches. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. So you can pause the video and check the list in details. While cooking, I will also dictate the same step by step. To make Mayo Chicken Sandwiches, here I have taken 300 grams of boneless chicken. First, I wash the chicken thoroughly and remove the excess water from the chicken with the help of a strainer. Now, I am taking one medium size of onion and cut it 1/4. Also, I am taking some garlic cloves and remove the shells too, and also 2 big chunk of ginger. Now I am marinating the chicken with salt to taste, black pepper powder and vinegar too for 5 minutes. Now I am taking an electric kettle and put the cutted onions, garlic, ginger also with the chicken. To boil the chicken, I am also adding sufficient water in the electric kettle and switch on the kettle and wait for hardly 10 minutes. Well, boil the chicken. After boiling the chicken, I am cutting the edge of the sandwich bread. See, like this way. After cutting the bread, now I am shredding the hot chicken with the help of 2 forks. See, like this way. Now I am taking a bowl. First I am adding yogurt, salt to taste and whisk it very well with the help of a spoon. Now I am adding some mayonnaise in it. Also whisk both well. After whisking both the yogurt as well as mayonnaise well, I am placing all the shredded boiled chicken in it. For sizzling the chicken, here I am adding salt to taste, some black pepper powder, some oregano and some mixed herbs too. Last but not the least, I am also adding some finely chopped capsicum and coriander leaves in it and mix the total ingredients with the help of a spoon. After preparing this chicken mayo sauce, I am taking the breads and also spreading some tomato sauce and chili sauce too in it. Then I am adding a huge scoop of chicken mayo sauce too. Then I am taking another slice of bread, also spread some tomato sauce and chili sauce Also placing the sauce side inside the sandwich. With one hand I am pressing it slightly and cutting it in triangular shape. You can cut it at any cut you like. In the same manner, I am assembling the whole sandwiches. Now our Mayo Chicken Sandwich is ready to eat. Especially children will like to eat this. If you like the recipe, then do try it at least once at home. It's very simple, quick and easy breakfast recipe. And let me know by comments in comment section below. Please consider the channel Khushi's Kitchen for subscription and press the bell icon to get notified of my new upcoming cooking video updates in advance. My heartfelt thanks to those friends who have already subscribed my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.